everyone, this is Tim Bruce again with Homecraft. We are back in Glengarry Village. We love this sub. This home is worth checking out. 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a first floor primary bedroom. Check it out. Hopefully you enjoyed your tour of this amazing 4-bedroom home here in Glengarry Village. There is so much to love about this subdivision and how important location is in Canton. You're right across the street from the Summit for Rec, the parks, the library, plenty to do. For more information, glengarryvillage.com is going to be your source. You can give us a call, you can text us, 734-329-0123. Thanks for checking this one out.